Torque Screwdriver Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global torque screwdriver and screwdriver market size will be $4,315.2 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 6% from 2024 to 2031. North America torque screwdriver market size of $1,726.08 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe torque screwdriver market size of $1,294.56 million. Asia Pacific torque screwdriver market size of $992.50 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 8% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America torque screwdriver market size of $215.76 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa torque screwdriver market size of $86.30 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.7% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.